Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning.
Is English hard sometimes?
Yes, but very fun.
How long learning English?
About 1 year now.
Is 1 year long?
Not really, feels short.
Do you like English?
Yes, I love it.
Which app you use?
This language learning app.
Is the app good?
Yes, very good app.
Do you study daily?
Yes, every single day.
How long you study?
About 30 minutes daily.
Is that enough time?
Yes, enough for me.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, English videos daily.
Are videos helpful too?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you read books?
Yes, simple English books.
Is reading books hard?
A little, but okay.
Do you know words?
Yes, quite many words.
How many words daily?
About 5 new words.
Is 5 words enough?
Yes, good daily goal.
Do you write words?
Yes, in my notebook.
Is writing helpful too?
Yes, helps me remember.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, with my friends.
Is speaking practice important?
Yes, most important thing.
Do you speak English?
Yes, we practice together.
Is that fun always?
Yes, always very fun.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, sometimes many mistakes.
Is that okay sometimes?
Yes, mistakes help learning.
Do you feel nervous?
Sometimes yes, not always.
Is nervous feeling normal?
Yes, completely normal feeling.
Which words you know?
Hello, thanks, and please.
Do you know more?
Yes, learning more daily.
What is favorite word?
Friend is my favorite.
Is friend nice word?
Yes, very nice word.
Do you use flashcards?
Yes, sometimes use flashcards.
Are flashcards helpful too?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you listen music?
Yes, English songs daily.
Does music help learning?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you understand songs?
Some words, not all.
Is that normal too?
Yes, completely normal. Indeed.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, with English subtitles.
Are subtitles helpful too?
Yes, very helpful tool.
Do you understand movies?
Mostly, yes, sometimes confused.
Is that improving now?
Yes, slowly improving daily.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, very proud indeed.
Is progress important too?
Yes, extremely important, always.
Do you compare yourself?
Try not to, honestly.
Is comparing bad sometimes?
Yes, better focus yourself.
Do you have goal?
Yes, clear learning goal.
What is your goal?
Speaking English very fluently.
Is fluency your dream?
Yes, my biggest dream.
Will you speak fluently?
Yes, someday I will.
Do you believe that?
Yes, I truly believe.
Is belief important too?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you feel motivated?
Yes, very motivated always.
What motivates you most?
Talking to new people.
Do you meet people?
Yes, sometimes through apps.
Is that exciting too?
Yes, very exciting indeed.
Do you have teacher?
No, learning by myself.
Is self-study hard?
Sometimes yes, but possible.
Do you need teacher?
Maybe soon, we'll see.
Would that help you?
Yes, probably would help.
Do you have friends?
Yes, some friends too.
Do you help friends?
Yes, always help friends.
Is helping others nice?
Yes, very nice feeling.
Do you correct mistakes?
Yes, gently correct mistakes.
Is correction helpful too?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you feel confident?
Getting more confident daily.
What gives you confidence?
Daily practice and patience.
Is patience important too?
Yes, extremely important always.
Do you get frustrated?
Sometimes yes, but okay.
What helps with that?
Taking breaks and resting.
Is resting important too?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, I really enjoy.
Is enjoying important too?
Yes, makes learning easier.
Do you have favorite?
Yes, speaking lessons mostly.
Why speaking lessons mostly?
Feels most useful always.
Is speaking hardest part?
Yes, hardest but best.
Do you practice pronunciation?
Yes, every single day.
Is pronunciation important too?
Yes, very important indeed.
Do you record yourself?
Yes, sometimes record myself.
Is that helpful too?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you listen back?
Yes, checking my mistakes.
Is that brave too?
Maybe, but very helpful.
Do you feel embarrassed?
A little, but okay.
Is embarrassment normal too?
Yes, completely normal, always.
Do you keep trying?
Yes, always keep trying.
Is trying important too?
Yes, most important thing.
Will you give up?
No, never give up.
That is good spirit.
Thank you, means much.
Do you inspire others?
I try to, yes.
Is that nice feeling?
Yes, very nice feeling.
Do you have advice?
Yes, practice every day.
Is daily practice key?
Yes, most important key.
Do you enjoy app?
Yes, really enjoy app.
Will you keep using?
Yes, definitely keep using.
Do you recommend it?
Yes, absolutely recommend it.
Will you learn together?
Yes, let's learn together.
Is that good idea?
Yes, wonderful idea, friend.
Are you excited now?
Yes, very excited now.
Do you feel ready?
Yes, ready to learn.
Thanks for this chat.
Anytime, great talking, friend.
Have a great day.
You too, keep learning.